Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2870. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to load the paper and complete alignment head. Once you fill up the ink tank, completed the initialization, the next stage is it will show you align the print head to get the best print quality. It will ask you adjust or adjust letter. First of all, load the paper. So you take A4 size of paper, go to the back of the printer and load the paper. Don't overload it, just put a decent amount. So this is A4 paper, then adjust it with the guide. The paper we have here is A4. Then the next thing to do is go to the printer screen, use up or down arrow to select rear paper feed, A4 plain paper. Then you select OK to confirm. Now align the print head to get the best print quality, adjust, then you select OK. Perform a print head nozzle check to check the print quality, print or print letter, then you select print. Then it will ask you to load A4 size plain paper, select print. Are there any missing segments? Then you select yes or no. So if you look on the information printed out, you check if there's any missing segment. And from what I can see here, there is no missing segment. So I'm going to scroll down and select no. Align print position to fix misalignment and banding. Adjust letter or OK. So you use up and down arrow to select adjust or adjust letter. I'm selecting adjust now. Select OK. Then you select print. If you change your mind, you can press the button to cancel it if you change your mind. Look at the printout and choose boxes with the list lines. On the next screen, select the number. Then you select OK. So there are number 1 line, number 2 line, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. So you look on the image and select the number. And if you want to select the number, use up or down arrow to select the number. Once you select the number, then you select OK. It will proceed to number 2. Then you look on the image and use up or down to select the number. Then select OK. You go to number 3. Then you look on the image and select the number. Then select OK. It goes to number 4. Then you look on the image and select the number and select OK. Then it goes to number 5. Then select OK. It goes to number 6. Then select OK. Number 7. Then you look on the number 7 and select the number again. Then select OK. Load A4 size plain paper. Then select print. Choose rectangles that are not separated or overlap. Then you select OK. Then look on the rectangles and choose the one that are not separated or overlap. Then use up or down arrow button to select the number. Then you select OK. Print head alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. Then you select OK. Communication, scan and save file to computer. Allow or disallow. Then you scroll up and select allow. It will show you the screen, and from the screen you will see copy, scan. The right arrow button will take you to copy. The next button, so if you keep pressing it, it will show you the quiet mode. The next button goes to the setting. The next goes to the maintenance. If you keep pressing it, it goes to Wi-Fi. So this is how to load the paper and also complete alignment head. Thank you.